Hey there, CrossFit community and fitness enthusiasts. I'm Anita, and today we're focusing on a game changer for your workout recovery, the doTERRA Deep Blue Stick. Let's dive deeper into the wonders of the Deep Blue Stick and how it can be a vital part of your fitness and recovery toolkit. The Deep Blue Stick is doTERRA's answer to your post-workout needs. It's not just about cooling relief, it's a symphony of natural ingredients. It contains a blend of powerful essential oils like wintergreen, camphor, peppermint, and more, each playing a role in soothing and rejuvenating your body. It's specially formulated to offer relief and comfort to tired and sore muscles, which of course is a common experience for those of us that are CrossFit athletes. After a demanding workout, your muscles deserve some TLC. One of the best features of the Deep Blue Stick is its precision application. You can target specific areas that need attention. Maybe your wrists after doing front squats, or your neck after doing some pull-ups. But wherever you put them on, you can glide it over any other areas that feel sore. Think of Deep Blue Stick not as just a post-workout remedy. You can apply it before your workout that can help prepare your muscles and joints for the physical exertion to come. It's like giving them a pep talk. I use it typically before I do squats on this area you see me using it here on my knees. And remember, recovery is just as important as the workout itself. The Deep Blue Stick can be a key part of your recovery process, helping you to bounce back faster and be ready for your next CrossFit challenge. For an enhanced experience, you can layer the Deep Blue Stick with other doTERRA products. Apply it over the Deep Blue oil for an extra boost of cooling sensation, or use it with a carrier oil for a more extensive massage. I personally use it with doTERRA's birch essential oil for my knees. Relaxation is key in recovery. After applying the Deep Blue Stick, take a few minutes to relax and let the soothing properties work. You can combine this with deep breathing or gentle stretching to maximize those benefits. So take your recovery to the next level with the Deep Blue Stick. It really isn't just an aid, it's an essential part of your fitness toolkit. It's also perfect for on the go because of its convenient size that fits so easily in a gym bag. That allows you to bring the power of Deep Blue wherever your workouts take you, whether it's a local box or an out-of-town competition. Incorporating the Deep Blue Stick into your fitness routine is about embracing a proactive approach to muscle care and recovery. It's more than just relief. It's about empowering your body to handle the demands of CrossFit and bounce back stronger. Remember, taking care of your body is taking care of your fitness journey. And I want you to stay strong and recover smarter so you can keep pushing your limits. Deep Blue Stick. It's this, I was going to say the stick of champions. Sure. Until next time, see ya. Hey, remember to like, subscribe, and share so that you don't miss out on any of this great content. See you later. Bye.